Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you an easy way without any kind of software to easily pull photos and videos off of your iPhone on the computer, as I know some people will upload it to, say, OneDrive or some sort of cloud storage or Facebook or some sort of platform and download it from there. This method just requires you to plug it into your computer, and I will show you how to find them through your computer. Now that you're in your Photos app and you've selected the photo or video that you're looking to pull off your device, you can go ahead and select the option with the eye that's in the circle, and this will pull up information on the photo or video that you've selected, and right under the date you will see the file name that you are looking for when you go into the device to pull it off. The first thing you want to do is make sure your phone is plugged into your computer. Once it's plugged in, it may pop up like this. You may also receive a pop-up on your device asking you to trust the computer. Go ahead, hit trust. You should see it somewhere pop up in your Explorer. So you see iPhone. Now you're going to see all these folders. So you're going to see 2025-03, so that's going to be March of 2025. We're going to go ahead and click in that folder. Now you're going to see like any photos and videos that you've taken just within that month. So you pull up where you'd like to have those files dumped into, and you can copy them right over, and you're going to get a window pop up that is copying. Mine doesn't actually do anything, yours may. Once it's done, it will completely disappear. So you can see that it's copied 1 of 3 so far. And now you can see that mine has completely copied all 3 video clips from my iPhone over to my computer. That's all you have to do. It's a lot quicker than uploading it somewhere else and re-downloading it back on your computer. This way you also have the original copy rather than one that's been uploaded somewhere and maybe been compressed, which you potentially could run into quality loss, as it's going to do what it's going to do once it's uploaded to whatever platform that you may be using to upload it to, and then re-download it to your computer. I hope this has helped. I hope this video has helped at least one person. If it has, hit the subscribe button as well as hit the bell notification to be notified of new videos when they go live, as well as hit that like button as it helps get the video out via the YouTube algorithm. Stay tuned for the next one.